Hello friends, welcome back to our session on input devices. As I said in my previous video, I will bring a video on input devices. If you have not seen my last video, the link is in the description box. Before wasting our time, let's go through this video. Input devices. I will describe every input devices in detail on this video, and there will be a keyboard detail, pointing devices, scanner, touch screen, and the all others which are remaining. So let's start. Keyboard. A computer keyboard is a typewriter style device which uses an arrangement of buttons, switches, or keys to act as a mechanical levers or electronic switches. A keyboard is also used to give commands to the operating system of a computer, such as Windows, Control, or Delete combinations. Keyboard keys or buttons typically has a set of characters that is engraved or printed, and each press of keys typically corresponds to a single written symbol. However, producing some symbol may require pressing and holding several keys. While most of the keys produce letters, numbers, or signs, other keys presses can produce action or execute to computer keyboard. Second one is the mouse. A computer mouse is an input device that is used with a computer. Moving a mouse along a flat surface can move the cursor to different items on the screen. Items can be moved or selected by pressing the mouse button, which is called as clicking, which is very simple. Today's many computer mice use wireless technology and don't have any wire. Game controller. A game controller, or simply as controller, is an input device used with video games or entertainment systems to provide input to a video game, typically to a controller, an object or character in the game. Game controllers have been designed and improved over the years to be as user-friendly as possible. We use game controller to move an object or to control an object or a character in the game. So the game controller is mostly used to control the games. Light pen. A light pen is a computer input device in the form of a light sensitive wand used in a conjunction with a computer cathode ray tube, which is a monitor part. So the cathode ray tube monitor will come on the output device, so wait for that. It allows the user to point to displayed objects or draw on the screen in a similar way to a touch screen, but with greater positional accuracy. Next up with trackball. This is the picture of the trackball. You can see that it has a ball which is in a blue color. So a trackball is a pointing device consisting of a ball held by a socket containing sensors to detect a rotation of the ball about 2 axes, like an upside down mouse with an exposed protruding ball. Large trackballs are common on C80 workstation for easy precision. This trackball, which is a pointing device, is used mostly in notebook or laptop computer. Scanner. A scanner is a device that captures images from photographic prints, posters, magazines, pages, and similar sources for computer editing and displaying. So there are many high-resolution scanners which are used for scanning high-resolution printings, magazines, or photographic prints. So there are many lower-resolution scanners too, which are adequate for capturing images for computer display. It is the principle of photocopy machine. Touch screen. It is the most useful thing in mobile, tablets, or laptops, or netbook computer too. So a touch screen is a computer display screen that is also an input device The screen are sensitive to pressure. A user interacts with the computer by touching pictures or words or items on the screen. Resistive touchscreen panels are not affected by outside elements such as dust or water. Digitizer. A graphic tablet, also known as a digitizer, drawing tablet or drawing pad, digital drawing tablet. There are many names for it. So it is a computer input device that enables a user to hand draw images, animations and graphics with a special pen, like a stylus similar to the way a person draws images with a pencil and paper. These tablets may also be used to capture data or handwritten signatures. It can also be used to trace an image from a piece of paper which is tapped or otherwise secured to the tablet surface. Capturing data in this way by tracing or entering the corner of linear polylines or shapes is called as digitizing. So you can see that a digitizer is just like a tablet. You can see that it has many names like digitizer, drawing tablet, drawing pad, digital drawing tablet, pen tablet or digital artboard. This is the video. Next up with magnetic ink card reader, the long form for MICR. Magnetic ink character recognition code, known in short as MICR code, is a character recognition technology used mainly by the banking industry to streamline the processing and clearance of checks and other documents. MICR encoding, called the MICR line, is at the bottom of checks and other vouchers and typically includes the document type, indicator, bank code, bank account number, check amount, usually added after a check is presented for payment, and a control indicator. The format for the bank code and the bank account number is a country specific. So this was the long definition. The short of this, that it is when sometimes we go to the shop, there is a barcode reader, which I will say the detail in next slide is. So when we read the QR code, so it would be written on the payment computer. So it is just like a printer which prints the amount of that, the bank account number or check amount. So it is very simple. In every shop we can see this magnetic ink card reader. Okay, the next one is the optical character reader, the long form for OC. Optical character recognition or optical character reader, OCR, is the electronic or mechanical conversion of images of typed, handwritten or printed text into machine encoded text, which, whether from a scanned document, a photo of a document, a scene photo, for example the text on signs and billboard in a landscape photo, or from subtitled text superimposed on an image. Optical character reader, it is used to read the printed text or handwritten or images that is typed. Optical mark reader, the long form for OMR. This is the picture, and the optical mark recognition, OMR is an electronic method of gathering human handled data by identifying certain markings on a document. Usually the optical mark recognition process is achieved with the aid of a scanner that checks the transmission or reflection of light through the paper. Places have marking will reflect less light than the plain paper, resulting in less contrasting reflectivity. Optical mark recognition is also known as optical mark reading, or commonly by the brand name Scantron. SCR is card reader or smart card reader. A card reader is a data input device that read data from a card-shaped storage medium. The first were punch card reader, which read the paper or cardboard punched cards that were used during the first several decades of the computer industry to store information and programs for computer system. Modern card readers are electronic devices that can read plastic card embedded with either a barcode, magnetic strips, computer chips, or another storage medium. Next, which is barcode reader. So this is a picture. A barcode reader or barcode scanner is an optical scanner that can read printed barcode, decode the data that contained in the barcode, and send the data to a computer. Like a flatbed scanner, it consists of a light source, a lens, and a light sensor translating for optical impulses into electrical signals. Additionally, nearly all barcode readers contain decoder circuitry that can analyze the barcode's image data provided by the sensor and sending that. Optical mark reader, the long form for OMR. This is the picture, and the optical mark recognition OMR is an electronic method of gathering human handled data by identifying certain markings on a document. Usually, the optical mark recognition process is achieved with the aid of a scanner that checks the transmission or reflection of light through the paper. Places have marking will reflect less light than the plain paper, resulting in less contrasting reflectivity. Optical mark recognition is also known as optical mark reading, or commonly by the brand name Scantron. SCR is card reader or smart card reader. A card reader is a data input device that read data from a card-shaped storage medium. The first were punch card reader, which read the paper or cardboard punched cards that were used during the first several decades of the computer industry to store information and programs for computer system. Modern card readers are electronic devices that can read plastic card embedded with either a barcode, magnetic strips, computer chips, or another storage medium. Next, which is barcode reader. So this is a picture. A barcode reader or barcode scanner is an optical scanner that can read printed barcode, decode the data that contained in the barcode, and send the data to a computer. Like a flatbed scanner, it consists of a light source, a lens, and a light sensor translating for optical impulses into electrical signals. Additionally, nearly all barcode readers contain decoder circuitry that can analyze the barcode's image data provided by the sensor and sending that. Microphone. A microphone, named as mic, is a device or a transducer that converts sound into an electrical signal. Microphones are used in many applications such as telephones, hearing aids, public address system for concert halls and public events, motion pictures production, live and recorded audio engineering, sound recording or two-way radios, megaphones, radio and televisions broadcasting, and many more. They are also used in computer for recording voice, speeches recognition, VoIP, and for non-acoustic purposes such as ultrasonic sensor or NOx sensors. So the last one is the webcam. A webcam is a video camera that feeds or streams an image or video in real time to or through a computer to a computer network. such as the internet webcams, are typically small cameras that sit on a desk attached to a user monitor or are built into the hardware. Webcams can be used during a video chat session involving two or more people with conversation that include live audio and video. For example, Apple's iSight camera, which is built into Apple laptops, iMacs, and a number of iPhones, can be used for video chat session using the iChat instant messaging program, now called Messages. Webcam software enables user to record a video or stream the video on the internet. So this was a very long definition for webcam. The shortcut of this is that it is used to record the video chat session, or it is mostly used to live streaming or video chat session. Mostly it is used to record the video or images in real time. Finally guys, we are in the end of our today's session, which was on input devices. So if something was missed out in this video or you want any lesson, so please comment below and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to see my notifications. So wait for my output devices video. So share it to your family members. See you in my next session. Thanks for watching.